Hello everybody, welcome to another Forbidden 3D Prints video. In this video I'm going to show you how to repair a broken support for the Sony WH-CH510 headphones. We are going to start by removing two screws that are locking the inner cover. Next, we'll use a sharp tool to pry open the cover. In this case I'm using this small metal spatula, but you can use a guitar pick or some tweezers. Now you'll be able to see the extent of the damage, and most probably you'll find a loose metal washer. Put it somewhere safe, because it will be needed later on. We can start removing the ear pad, which comes off very easily by gently pulling it out. We'll remove the three screws from the speaker cover. And now we have access to the inside, where we need to desolder both wires. If you don't have a soldering iron, you can visit the link in the description for a video where is explained how to join enameled wires. We now remove the back cover and start pushing the cable out. You'll most probably have a broken part of the support that needs to come off also. We are now ready to start installing the replacement support. I like to pass one wire only, holding the other one in the back. Put the support in place and insert the washer. Check if the support is moving freely, and we can start inserting the wire in the groove. Make sure the cable is all the way down the groove so it doesn't come off. Feed the cable through the back cover side opening. You might have to wiggle the cover a little bit to make the support fit the holes, but shouldn't be too difficult. Now we just need to solder the wires back in place. In my case, the gold wire goes on the right and the green on the left, and it should be the same for yours. We are now on the final step to finish the repair. Place the wire around the back of the screw poles, so we can screw the speaker back in place. Click in place the headband inner cover and put back both screws. Putting the foam pad can be a bit tricky, but I suggest going slowly and make sure you don't let go the first bit you put in. Just keep holding it until you manage to go all the way around. And that's it! Your headphones are now repaired, and you save yourself from buying a new pair of headphones. If you are interested in buying the 3D printed support, please visit the link in the description. Feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching another Forbidden 3D Prints video, and I'll see you in the next one.